Welcome back to this Kyle's Garage. Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll show you what you could do if you have a fuel separator issue in this car. It's a C3 Corvette, and we took the gas tank out. And usually, what happens is fuel comes out of here when you're parked or whatever. You see it coming down over here. There's some stains over here you could see that comes from the fuel separator valve. And with the gas tank out, this is what it looks like. So what they did back then was, this is the vent for the gas tank for these cars, and it went to a fuel separator valve here, because whenever the car the gas sloshes when you're driving around, fuel used to come out over here, and this would prevent the fuel from going into your charcoal canister in the front. Now these things tend to go. This is the second one that's on here. This cracked in the bottom. The other one cracked in the bottom too. So what we're going to do, we're going to change this around. So let me show you what we're going to put in here. So this is the setup we're going with. We have the gas tank out, so we might as well replace it with a new one. They're cheap on these cars. One thing to note here, you have to get reducers here, because this is a 3/8 nipple over here, the vent tube. So from a 3/8 we went to a 5/16. We got a reducer here, and this is what the reducer looks like. And this is the magic piece that's going to make everything work nicely here. I'm going to put a link in the description below where to get this. Newton makes it. It's a valve for a vent line. It's part number TPV8. And what this does here, this opens, this is constantly closed. This will open at a certain pressure in the gas tank. So say you're parked in the warm weather somewhere in the sun and it needs to vent, this is going to open and vent that out. This also opens at a certain vacuum. So if you have a fuel pump sucking gas out of your gas tank, this will open it up to vent the gas tank. And of course this could go to your charcoal canister on this side. This is a one-way valve, so it has to be this says to atmosphere, and this is the gas tank, so this is venting to atmosphere. You could also plug this up and put a vented gas cap, so you could vent your car that way. However, this car gets parked in the garage that's connected with the house, so we just want to seal the gas tank off completely. So we're going to get a sealed gas cap, and this will seal it when nothing's going on. So we're not, you're not driving or the engine's running. So everything's going to be sealed. This is the way to do it. We're going to put a hose clamp here, and we're going to screw the hose clamp here like this. So it's going to be a bit of an incline over here. You don't want to create what they call like a J-trap here to hold gas. Make sure there's like a little bit of incline so everything goes back in the gas tank. And up here, just do like a little bit of a loop and go down into the vent line of the car. This is a 5/16 nipple here. So again, like I said before, I reduce from 3/8 to 5/16. And then this 5/16 line, I have a reducer. I'm going to go at a 1/4 inch, because the line on the car is a 1/4 inch vent line. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the car. I'll show you what it looks like after everything's all said and done. Alright guys, the gas tank is in, and I put my hose clamps on there. I don't know how much you can see over there. I'm trying to get a good shot for you guys here. And the hose I routed up over the gas tank. I made a little loop. I'll show you guys here. From the gas tank I went up, close to grade up there, all the way around up there, so the gas won't come out of this thing. It won't slosh out. It probably won't slosh out anyway because I put that valve in there. Well, anyway, then over here I zip tied it to the strap of the gas tank and went down and into the vent line of the car here. And that's it. And you got the usual stuff here when putting the gas tank in. You got your sending unit here. You got two lines. You got a feed line for the carburetor. You got your ground wire, the level sensor wire. And that's pretty much it. We're going to put the spare tire up. And these mufflers, We put both, we unhooked both of them over here, and we just moved both of them to the side. You can probably just get away with moving one to the side, and that's about it. The gas tank goes in. It's a little difficult sometimes to put the gas tank over here. We put one side in, then we had to push and pry this side in, but eventually it went. So that's that, and that should take care of the customer's gas vapor issue in the garage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!